Now, once you have defined your funnel, you will then want to set up some basic reports to make it easy for you to get the information that you want when you want it. And so to do that, we're actually going to go to the customization link and we're going to go to the custom reports. And we're going to set up some basic reports to get information on our goals. To do that, we're going to click New Custom Report. We're going to give our report a title. We do that, we're just going to have one report tab, and we're going to use the Explorer type report. Now we are going to add several metrics. Now we're going to call this metric group our goals group, and then we're going to add metrics. And we're going to add in our goal conversion. We'll scroll down. And what we want to know is whether or not we're reaching our value. So we'll determine this by doing our upsell. We can come back. We can come back again. And we can continue to add metrics to add to our basic report. Now, once we have all the information that we're going to want in our report, we'll need to add a dimension. And typically, one of the easiest dimensions to add, along with any goal-related report, will be the date. So if you go to the Time menu and you pick the date, you'll then have a complete report. If you were to try to add something without having a dimension, what would happen is that Google would tell you that you still need to have at least one dimension. So we're going to add in the dimension of time. And we'll also do a date index. Now once you do that, you are then going to determine which view or account you want to look at. We're going to look at one account, and it is the one that's already selected. So we're going to have one view selected, and then we're going to click Save. Now that's going to bring us to a page that actually brings up our report. Now if we want to save that report, what we're going to do is we're going to click Save. Now when we save this report, that means we'll be able to come back and reuse it when we come back to the site, while changing the date parameters to give us the information that we want. So we're going to go ahead and click OK, and we should now have a basic saved report. And in order to check that, what we're going to do is we're going to click the Save Reports link. And you'll see now that we have our Are We Hitting Our Numbers daily report. So if we want to view it, we can just view it, and we can bring it back on our dashboard in this way. So that's how you would create a basic report in order to show the information, save that report so that you'll be able to reuse it any particular day and get the information that you want. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.